Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the browser ready. Open Chrome and update it to the latest release so features and security patches are present. Once done, check camera and microphone permissions in Chrome's content settings so Zoom can access devices. If you prefer the web client, install or update the official Zoom extension. This speeds joining meetings and handling audio/video. Make sure pop-ups and redirects are allowed for Zoom, so the join flow doesn't get blocked. You now join the meeting. Click the link or go to Join. Zoom, and enter the meeting ID. When Chrome prompts, choose Join from browser to avoid downloading the app. This keeps everything inside the tab. Next, pick your camera, microphone, and speaker from the device menu. Chrome lists available devices. Test audio and video using the provided test buttons so you can hear and be heard. If bandwidth is low, disable HD video or stop incoming video to stabilize the call. You're in the meeting and controlling things from Chrome's Zoom toolbar. Mute/unmute, stop video, share your screen, open chat, or record if allowed. If you need different devices, click the small arrow next to the mic or camera to switch inputs without leaving the call. For performance issues, try reloading the tab or toggling the camera to reset the feed. If problems persist, join via the Zoom desktop app, which handles audio/video more robustly. That single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.